Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be unboxing JC Wings' Air Canada 767-300ER and the Eurowings Discover A330-200. Without further ado, let's get into this. First, let's start with the Air Canada 767-300ER from JC Wings. Now, I was quite excited when they came out with this model, as I've been hoping some company would produce it for a long time. Aero Classics did one a long time ago, but it's not easy to find. I do have the Air Canada 767-200 though, so that's nice. But yeah, Gemini Jets never released it, which I'm surprised because it was a mainline wide body aircraft with Air Canada for many years. And yeah, but I'm glad they have it now. So yeah, let's take a closer look at this model. Now, the Air Canada colors look really good on this model. They did a really good job representing the toothpaste colors. The only area where they got a bit of the color wrong is up on the very top here. You can see that is too dark. However, usually this livery on Air Canada is quite hard to represent, so they did a pretty good job of it. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe they are using the Gemini Jets mold. So of course, that looks quite good as well. I don't mind Gemini Jet 767 mold. It's not their worst mold, and it's certainly not their best mold. But yeah, definitely passable. Now, I heard they will be coming out with a 767-300ER in the cargo livery, as Air Canada has converted one to cargo and used this livery on one of them. But yeah, other than that little bit of miscoloring at the end of the tail, this looks like a really good model. And if you're a Canadian nav geek or have flown it on many occasions like I have, I highly suggest you get it. Anyways, let's move on to the Eurowings Discover A330-200. Here we have the Eurowings Discover A330-200 from NG Models. Now, the reason I picked this up is this plane will be flying to Calgary starting soon. The Eurowings Discover's only route into Canada, as far as I know so far. Originally, Lufthansa was going to fly the route, but it did switch over to Eurowings Discover. Now, so I guess, yeah, let's take a closer look at this model. So here we have it, the Eurowings Discover A330-200 from NG Models. Now, this model looks quite good in person. I do really like NG Models mold. If it's just me though, I do see what looks like a little bit of smudging on the end of the wing, so that's not an amazing sign. I'll take a closer look at that in a second. But let's start out with the paint scheme. Here you can see it's got a bit of a raccoon mask. I never noticed that about Eurowings Discover. The colors in general look quite good. Always a little bit more vibrant than I'd say, more like a freshly painted plane with NG Models, but it's not bad. Here we have registration, Delta Alpha X-Ray Golf Bravo. Now let's take a closer look at the wings from the front. Now, everything looks to be in good shape and stuff. The only error I am seeing from this model is that little bit of smudging on the wing, but that could be from the store. Well, that could be from, I don't believe this model was pre-owned, as I did buy it from Threshold, and this is a fairly new release, although it is not quite a new release, so yeah. Anyways, in general though, it looks like a pretty decent model, and I'm glad I got it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys back next time.